I'm in my CRX today to show you how to set alarms on your AiM dash. I'll be using this Surface Pro 3 that's mounted to my dash with this wireless keyboard, but for all intents and purposes, this is just a regular Windows laptop that you could use. So right now it's plugged into the USB that's going to my dash, and I have Race Studio 3 fired up. So from here, you go to the gear icon and choose your dash, and then you go to shift lights and alarms. Now we have a little representation of our dash over here. Now I have two alarms set. I have a low oil pressure and a low temperature. So let's see how those are defined. Low oil pressure says that if my ECU oil pressure signal is less than 30 psi and my ECU RPM is greater than 3000, blink LED 5 and put a message, oil pressure low, LED 5. So over here, there's LED 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, that is the little, like genie in the lamp oil symbol. That's one I already have set up. The other one, I have a temp alarm. This one, it says if my temp ECU engine coolant temp is greater than 210, then blink LED 6, which is the little universal symbol for your engine is hot, and display the actual number in red on the screen. So I'll show you how to set up a new one. You'll go here and click add new alarm. We're going to call this high oil temp, and we'll say that if we're going to look at, so internal is things that that the dash reads itself, like the battery level, but ECU is whatever signals you're outputting from your ECU. So we're going to say ECU oil temp right there. If it's greater than well, we'd say like 230, but we're going to set a low number like 10 degrees just to so we can test it. And if the message we'll say is danger to manifold, and we're going to add another trigger that happens after our temp goes above 10 degrees, and that's going to be, so output if we had other devices connected, but we don't. So sure, we'll save that. Now we have 3 triggers, and of course nothing happens yet, so we have to transmit this to our dash. Now this takes a minute. And when it works, you'll notice your dash restarts. And now it's saying danger to manifold because my oil temp is above 10 degrees. And it's going to stay on indefinitely because we have it set until condition no longer met. Whereas, you could clear it with a button or whatever condition you set up. So you can play with that. There's a lot of options. That's how you set alarms and notifications in your AiM race dash with Race Studio 3.